everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious tamales de fresa. These are sweet strawberry tamales. They're so delicious, creamy, perfect for after your Christmas dinner. So if you want to see how I make them, keep watching. I'm going to start off by preparing the masa for the tamales. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of Crisco butter flavor shortening. Or you can use vegetable shortening as well. 5 teaspoons of baking powder and salt to taste. Now we beat it for about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and we continue mixing for about 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes and now it's time to add our masa. I'm gonna use 6 cups of masa and 6 cups of warm milk. This is the masa that I'll be using. I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of milk for every cup of masa. Make sure to add it slowly. And remember, your milk has to be warm. Once the masa and milk are all in, we're gonna increase the speed and mix it for 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and our masa is now ready. Once our masa is ready, I'm gonna add 1 cup of strawberry preserves and some red food coloring. And now we mix. Once it's well mixed, we're gonna fold in our strawberries. I'm using 1 pound of strawberries. We fold it in so that our strawberries don't get crushed. And now we can start preparing our tamales. I left my corn husks soaking for 2 hours and now I'm just gonna pat them dry. Soaking them makes them softer and it's easier to make your tamales. You add the masa on the soft side, not the rough side, because if you put it on this side where it's rough, the masa is gonna stick. So now we add it here in the middle. You can add as much as you like. There's also people that like to add raisins. I personally do not like raisins. So you close one flap, then the next one, and the tail, you flip it over, and just like that. We keep repeating the process until we run out of masa. Next one, and the tail you flip. With this masa, I made about 30 tamales. I'm gonna put the steamer in my pot and we're gonna fill it up with water right below the steamer. I'm gonna place some corn husk on the bottom. This is just so that our tamales won't fall through. Just like that. And we place them standing up just like this. Once they're all in, we add another layer of corn husk on top. And don't press it too hard so that you don't squish the tamales. We're gonna add some rags on top. This is so the steam doesn't get out. We cover them up. Make sure it's well sealed. Now we turn on the stove and set it to medium heat. And we're gonna cook for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour and 10 minutes and our tamales are now ready. These are perfect for the holidays, for Christmas, New Year's. They're the perfect dessert after you have your meals. So delicious. Definitely need to try them. And there you have it, delicious tamales de fresa. All right, guys. Moment of truth. These tamales are so soft, moist, they're perfect. Y con cafecito. Super ricos. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.